Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on a journey towards holistic well-being. Today's topic is a breath of fresh air, quite literally. We're delving deep into the world of natural remedies for allergies. If you've been sniffing and sneezing your way through allergy season, stick around because we've got some game-changing insights coming your way. Before we dive into the remedies, let's quickly understand what allergies are. Allergies occur when your immune system reacts to a substance as if it's harmful, triggering symptoms like sneezing, itching, and congestion. Now, armed with that knowledge, let's explore the natural wonders that Mother Nature has in store for us. Our first stop on the natural remedies train is local honey. Did you know that consuming local honey may help alleviate allergy symptoms? The idea is that honey contains trace amounts of local pollen, and regular consumption could potentially desensitize your immune system. It's like a sweet elixir straight from nature. Now, let's talk about quercetin, a natural compound found in various fruits and vegetables. Quercetin is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and may help stabilize mast cells, reducing the release of histamines. So, next time you're at the grocery store, load up on those quercetin-packed goodies. Nature has its own superheroes when it comes to allergies: nettle tea and butterbur extract. Nettle, with its natural antihistamine properties, can be brewed into a soothing tea. Butterbur, on the other hand, has shown promise in reducing allergy symptoms. It's like a tag team of botanical defenders. Now, let's shift our focus to the aromatic world of essential oils. Peppermint, eucalyptus, and lavender oils are known for their decongestant and anti-inflammatory properties. A few drops in a diffuser or diluted for topical application could be your ticket to natural allergy relief. Breathe in and let the healing scents envelop you. Did you know that your gut health plays a role in your body's immune response? Probiotics, the friendly bacteria found in fermented foods, might be your ally in the battle against allergies. A happy gut often leads to a happier, allergy-resistant you. The mighty vitamin C, our next natural ally. Known for its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits and bell peppers might help alleviate allergy symptoms. So, add a burst of color to your plate and let the healing begin. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to natural remedies for allergies. From local honey to essential oils and everything in between, nature has provided us with a plethora of tools to combat those pesky symptoms. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness wisdom, and share your natural remedy experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay vibrant and stay well.